Want to welcome everyone to Global FX Radio's Market Wrap-Up Show YouTube. I'm your host, Andrew Spanton. January 27th, 2009. What a day. What a day. Tuesday lived up to its name, baby. Can you say Turnaround Tuesday, baby? TAT. Oh my goodness. Dollar index didn't really get to our level. Held the 30 exponential pretty much. Didn't get to our level. Broke through the channel line. Did not get to 1850 like we thought, but certainly hammered up, baby. Are we going to go bullish engulfing? You know, that's anyone's guess. I got to tell you, I'm not 100% sure. I could easily see us coming back down and retesting, but we certainly reversed to the upside, and euro dollar hit major resistance also. We'll look at it in a second, but the dollar index, unless we take out this whole 8480, I don't know. My bias is not necessarily so bullish, but it will change in a New York minute. In a New York minute, should that level get taken out to the upside. Remember, shooting stars and hammers and dojis only work when you get confirmation with a bearish or bullish engulfing bar. I speak a lot about this on Global FX Radio, so check out my broadcast tonight. Also, I'm announcing a contest for premium members only. Demo contest. All premium members that are effective members starting February 1st are going to register for a demo account, a mini. Whoever has the most amount of money in the account at the end of the month is going to get a Global FX firm trading account with $2,000 in it. 50% payout. No risk to you. No soup for you if you're not a premium member. Don't even think about it. Premium only. Paying premium too. Info at globalfxradio.com for any answers to your questions. Dollar yen, daily chart. Again, grinding higher. But closing week. We've seen this 3 days in a row now. We said this. It was probably going to make a run up to here. We took our profit early. Should dollar yen breach 88.20, it will mark a move from this 3-day comeback. So should we break through this little uptrend channel line? Should we break through 88.20? Should 88 give way? Look out below. And I don't know, Mr. Yen, Mr. Yen saying that intervention is government stimulus package out of Japan is a form of intervention. Last I checked, intervention is immediate. Well, my P&L at least. When there's intervention, I think my P&L benefits pretty much within the second. Whereas the stimulus package, how long is it going to take to get to my P&L? Please. So I don't buy that one bit. So dollar yen again, probably going to break tonight. I think if the futures are much weaker. Futures dictated. Again, I'm not. Stock market was up 50 points, but very mediocre rally. I think the stock market goes down tomorrow. I think oil after crude inventories, and I'm sorry about not doing a U.S. preview. I do apologize, but listen, the market was crazy. Some days I'm trading. I can't do this. When the market's going nuts, no way. So that time of day, all good stuff was happening. So I do apologize, but I will try and do a U.S. preview tomorrow. But again, the crude tomorrow. When crude inventories come out, if crude collapses on that, I think you buy the hell out of it. And I think commodity currencies come ripping back after probably being down big. Commodity currencies definitely going out weak today. One day good, one day bad, amazing. Sterling dollar. Looking at the daily chart, sterling dollar again. Notice how it did fail. Well, it didn't fail yet. Didn't touch it. I have big resistance there. Now again, I have another resistance line here. Everything really seems to be, if we get through this whole level here, everything points to 144. 144 certainly. I mean, listen to bigger. Look at that bigger channel line. My goodness. And that's 150 now. I don't think that's going to happen. No freaking way. But again, I think, we're coming to major resistance to 144 level. I think euro sterling we're going to look at right now. Again, if we take out these lows of 139.50, we take out this out. We're going lower. So, listen, sterling has come a long way, baby. 135 to 142.50. So, we made some nice money the last couple of days in it. The third day move probably going to come to an end. Most of these moves happen in like 3-day moves, sort of. Even though this one was 1, 2, 3, you say 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Look at this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So when you get a big bounce, usually you get 3 to 4 blue bars. Again, look when it ripped. So I think sterling, there's more to it. I think cable, there's more to this trade. Euro sterling, euro dollar, whole nother story. As we know, as we know, just because cable goes up does not mean euro dollar has to go up. If euro sterling collapses, which I think it's going to, look at this. Big break, people. Big, beautiful break. Look at that. Doji. Bearish engulfing confirmation. Yes, you need to take out the lows today. We take out the lows, say hello to 92. Say hello to 20. But this is so beautiful. Look at that double top. Listen, we take out 95.5. But that's beautiful. I'm sorry, no bouncing. I was looking for a bigger bounce, maybe a double top. That means you want to be long cable, you want to be short the euro. Your buys. Buy cable into big pullbacks. If your sterling's going down, and short the euro into strength. But I'd say easy 92. Any strength, 93.50. Love it. Love it. Euro yen. Look at that shooting star. Okay. Look at that. But first, hit the 20 exponential too. Beautiful. Beautiful. Don't get no better than that. So, where do we go from here now? Well, tough one. I think 118 should not get taken out. As long as 118 does not get taken out, I think it's safe to be short. Can we do a tweezer top and then come back up and retest? I guess so. Listen, if the futures are up and the FTSE and the DAX are all ripping, I don't see that happening. But if they are, then the carry trade's probably going up. If the market really is going to perceive that this Japanese fiscal stimulus package is a form of intervention which is the dumbest, I mean, I understand the logic, but it is so dumb given this economic environment. It makes me sick. I can't, I want to be nice, but I can't tell you what I want to do with Dennis Gartman's newsletter from today. I know I'm going to get in trouble for trashing Gartman, but listen, I respect the guy a lot. I've been reading him for years, probably 10 years. So, believe me. But I think he lost a step. I think he's lost a step with reality. I think he's out of touch with the market. He missed the whole move down in the carry trade without a short. He tried to buy it, going against the trend. So, I really lost a little respect for Dennis Gartman. info@globalfxradio.com. Love to hear your comments on this subject matter, by the way. Sterling yen, another reversal bar. Should 124.50 give way, look out below. Bye-bye. But notice, we took out the highs. Explosion. How about that move in Asia last night in cable and sterling yen? Was that beautiful or what? We did get a mini pullback, just a little bit. I think sterling yen, listen, again, if it takes out 124.50, it's going lower. But I got to tell you, how many times we've been faked out by one of these shooting stars and it just goes right back up? So if the futures are strong, then I will change my bias. I do the best I can to try and help you folks, for these intraday moves, because I only do one a day for you. But, you are freebies. That's what my 8 o'clock chat room is for, where I change biases. We got short that euro sterling into that beautiful bounce, 94. Made 80 pips in it. I got to tell you, euro sterling used to do very poorly. Now I'm making money in euro sterling very well, and that is a nice. I think euro sterling probably reverses. I'm only looking for another 80 pips or so, 92. I'm not looking for a collapse in euro sterling. If there's a third day of a move, 3 times a charm, probably a rebound, something like that. So again, sterling yen, while it is a nice reversal day, I do think maybe it's got another more in it. Look, 1, 2, 3. So I think any pullback, I'm looking to get long sterling. I got to tell you, I'm not, unless the stock market futures are really tanking and we break through previous day lows, I might look to be buying these things against that. And then stop and reverse, get stopped out, and short them if they do break into any bounce. Hopefully you understand what I'm saying. Go premium if you really want to understand. Remember, hey, listen, $200 a month, you get a chance to win a $2,000 account, split the profits. I mean, listen, the money's not yours. You can trade it, and we just split the profits. You can't just take the money out. Give me a break. No, sorry, no soup for you. Shooting star, Aussie yen. Take a look at that one. And again, Euro Canada. Just want to show you this one. We don't have time. Sorry, no soup for you there. Again, Aussie yen looking weak. Again, I think unless it takes out 58, looks good. Andrew Spanton, Global FX Radio, the only voice you will ever need in forex that makes you money. Cha-ching.